and include every single person on the demo, and every single person who will actually see the demo later. We are going to work with everyone. So create more money for everyone on this call. We're going to do working on the root chakra. So if those who don't know, the root chakra is the chakra which is connected to Mother Earth, which creates a stability, security, and the bigger your root chakra, the more vibration of money you attract. So shall we do that?
Yes, absolutely. Is there anything that that we need to be prepped with? Water, sit comfortably.
Yeah, I would assume that if everyone would be in that receiving position to actually allow the receiving whatever would come to them. And yes, drink some water to relax and maybe take 3 deep breaths and relax yourself and focus on the root chakra to enable more energy and more vibration to you on different levels of your being.
Superb. And please remind everybody about one of the most fabulous parts of the work that you do with clearing, any kind of healing, any kind of clearing, any kind of manifestation, is that you could be doing anything. You don't have to be, you could be drinking water, you could be reading a book, you can be lying down, you can be watching TV. If you decide to get up, take a stroll and come back, it's absolutely fine. There are no physical or in the mind restrictions. You can do whatever you want. You want to have a conversation with somebody? Go ahead. Come on.
So we'll start with the demo.
You know, Brenda Charu, there are a lot, pretty much everybody here knows you. Before we actually start, do you want to just give them a quick brief on some basics on what you do or how you do? Just a little information.
So basically we use a set of charts like this, right, and a pendulum. And we have developed a way by which we are able to tap into your energy field. So, and the entire operation is done here at this end. So we don't, it's not, ours is not a touch therapy. It's a process which we do on the set of charts by the use of a pendulum. And we tap into your energy field. So we will be now tapping into your root chakra, and whatever is limiting the emotions that are stuck there, we'll wipe them off from your root chakras. So the moment we wipe them off, there will be more space and it will come into balance. And the moment it comes into balance, you will become a money magnet. You will become, it will create more stability in your life. This is in simple and short, our therapy.
Fabulous. And this, of course, we're doing a group thing. Because you're working on the root chakra, interestingly, questions come in. Sai is asking, feet on the ground, is that necessary? Feet on the ground.
Nothing is necessary from our side.
Just
right.
As you said, you can even walk, you can run, you can even have your TV on. Doesn't really matter.
Right. And Ria's just asked, I'm traveling, so is it fine? Yes, Ria, it's absolutely fine. Yeah. You could be driving also and it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Superb. While you guys are doing that, Brenda and Charu, because I know you take a few minutes of silence to do this, with your permission, I'd like to share something that came up between yesterday and today, which is actually a part of it's from the kindness cards. So while you're doing that, is it okay if I let people know what is the card that ended up getting pulled for the group? Because I pulled it this morning.
Yeah, and you can tell them where the kindness cards come from.
That, of course, I will. So let me know when you're starting and let me know if it's okay for me to keep talking.
We are starting. You can talk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Just work.
So just to let everybody know that I have a set of very beautiful set of kindness cards. Okay, you don't have to learn how to use them. It's not a modality. It's actually something that is Brenda's creation, and it's actually a fabulous set. Yesterday, when Amrish and I were having a conversation, I said, let's just do this for fun, for everyone, for tomorrow. And I hope you can see this. Look at that beautiful artwork. And this is the card for focus. So this is what came out yesterday for, let's do this for fun for the group. What is the kindness we can be, all of us. So it's focus on the positivities in your life, which allows you to raise your vibrations to attract only positivity. When you focus on what you focus on in your life will manifest in your life. Focus on something positive that you would like to have in your life. Visualize it, smell it, taste it, hear the sounds. Then imagine yourself living that positive aspect. And you know what's funny? We pulled this last night, and Brenda actually started with the happiness. The first tip was the happiness tip. So this, it almost kind of it's in sync literally. So there's another one that's I actually ended up pulling two more. There's one just general. I said just generally let's pull one. Let's just see what kindness we could be today. This is the other beautiful artwork that you can see. This is the cover. This is the female card. So for everybody, use your female energy to enhance any area of your life. Be more feminine, be more soft, be softer, be gentle. And this goes for everyone, including men, because we all have, the male and the feminine inside us. Tap into your female side, tap into your gentleness, tap into your intuition. This is what came up. If you guys are done, let me know because I actually have one more.
We are still working.
Okay, all right. And I actually love this one. This I pulled just a little before the call. I said, for today, for right now, for the call, what is the kindness that all of us can do for ourselves? I want to pull a card. So this again is a beautiful artwork involved with this one. This card says, fake it. Have you guys ever heard of that? Fake it till you make it? Have you ever heard of it? I'm sure everybody has. Okay. So sometimes things can be significant and unachievable. If we fake it, we fool our subconscious mind into believing it is achievable. Imagine what you feel is a big, massive obstacle, something that you cannot do. For example, driving a car. Here, I'm going to bring up money. Anything to do with money that's feeling like an obstacle for you, imagine it. So because there's a car reference, and again, so funny that we started with the car example as well. Imagine sitting in the car, feel the steering wheel in your hands and the sound of the engine as you turn it on. See yourself driving, imagine the scenery around you. Do this mind exercise for anything that you want to achieve. Do this for several days and slowly you will reprogram your mind. I find it hugely fascinating that these are the cards that came up for the group over 24 hours. And if you really think about it, they actually all focus on exactly what we're all going through right now and with money. So focus, tap into your intuitive female side and fake it till you make it. Actually, more than that, reprogram yourself. And that's actually a part of what Brenda and Charu are also doing right now. If anybody has anything that they'd like to say about that or share, feel free to post on the Telegram group. Brenda and Charu are still doing the work, so we're waiting for them. In the meantime, if you'd like to take a sip of water, please do. Vaishali, you've asked, can anyone update all the tips given in the group? Vaishali, it will all be put in. In fact, let me quickly repeat the four that have been done. The first was the happiness tip. Think of something that makes you happy, makes you smile, make it your vibration, carry it through your entire body and hold that vibration for yourself and do it every time. Do it every time for yourself. Basically, the second tip was that we all have the ability to create and generate our own income. The third tip was the nest egg, which was save 40%, spend 60%, or 30-70, and 10% definitely towards charity of any kind. And the fourth tip was the chant, which is the Ganesh Lakshmi chant, which is basically the Lakshmi Ganapatay Namaha chant, along with the fact that please chop your credit cards up if you're in debt. That's very clear. And Dolly said, Neelo, I'm looking out to buy a new car. You just spoke my thoughts. You know what Brenna and Charu did and the cards did? I just, I'm just, I was just there. happened to be just putting it out there. Kamniji, stuff releasing for you. I can see, yeah. So there's definitely movement. There's something happening even while they're working.
We have finished, Neelu.
Oh, awesome. And this is, I was just going through the comments that had come in. Thank you for that. I could see, I also felt yawn. I'm also feeling thirsty, actually. I could see Kamniji, just suddenly yawn. So I figured that it is, people are going to be feeling something. So Brenda, Charu, is there anything that people should be looking out for right now? Any sensation?
So I'll just give you a brief about what we did. So
Yes.
basically, we worked on the root chakra first to clear negative money beliefs. And in order for actually the group to actually work on the group, we actually had to clear the energy of faith. So it's like, I mean, obviously a lot of people will think, how is this going to happen? Like, really, you're going to actually do this for me? Like, come on, I can't believe that, right? And so it is so interesting, which he talked about those cards, which is, like, even you talked about the yes card, and you talked about the fake it card, which is like what we're doing. We're actually faking and creating the neural pathways that we're talking about, right? And I thought, oh, wow, amazing cards you picked out, like, and so, yeah. And I mean, funnily enough, just of the topic, it was like I'd asked for my kindness cards to go to more people, and there you are talking about it, like, just to be like, I'm already vibrating for that. So it's like, I'm like, wow, awesome. Like, so we worked on clearing the energy of anger, which was stuck in the root chakra, and creating it to the neural pathways of faith, and that working on that. And then what we also did is we did a double whammy. And so we worked on everyone to clear the root chakra to attract exponential wealth. How awesome is that? And again, had to clear faith, because that's a big thing, I guess, for people who, energy work, how is it going to happen? So it takes time for people to understand. So yeah, how will it show up? So it can show up as a very in subtle ways, like you receive a gift, your old clients will pay you, the project you're working on materializes or becomes fruitful. You will get gifts, your salary will increase, the bonus that you're expecting will get paid. You'll have abundance of joy as well. So it can come up in not only fully monetary, and for those, like, even talking about times now where stability and security is a big question mark with everything going on. So even if money doesn't show up, basically you're going to feel more stable in your life. Having that, you can actually generate more. Like, does not necessarily have to be money as well, right?
Right. Absolutely.